Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a kitten for Christmas, so let's get started. To draw this cute kitten, let's first start by drawing a rectangle for the kitten to sit in. So I'm going to come right here and I'll just start and go right across about that much. And then I'm going to bring it down, just creating a rectangle or a square. It's all up to you how big you want your gift box to be. So go right there and then come down the other side. Look at my camera to make sure I'm going straight. And oops, connected. Here, and I'm going there. Fixed, right? Kind of. Okay, so we start off with a rectangle or a square, and then let's come in here and we're going to draw our kitty cat here. So I'm going to come about in this area, and let's say about here. I'm just going to fit my kitten in here, so I know that's where I want to go, and I'm just going to start up. So this is a very simplified kitten, so that's why we're just going to start with the body. And I'm going to bring it up about, say, this much, and I'm giving a slight slant because I'm giving my kitten a slight slant. That'll be a little bit cuter that way. So about right there, I'll stop and I'll pop up some ears. So come up with a curve. I'm stopping about right here with the ears because I'm still imagining a curve that's going around back to here. So about right here, I'm going to stop and draw a curve across and say about right here. I'll stop and I'll draw the other ear. So same thing, round off the tip, come back down, and we're aiming back to here. And then just pop it out a tiny bit and bring it down. So that is the basic shape. You're just kind of giving a little bit of a slant. From there, we can spruce it up, and let's come about right here. So imagine there's still a curve going. We're going to come about right here. Draw a curve, and I'm just going to draw the insides of the ear. So same thing here. Just imagine this curve still going through, and draw the inside. Okay, so then now let's come up here, and I'm going to give my kitten some stripes. So about right here, I'll just draw 3 of them. And 1 more right in the center. And then we can draw the face. So in the center, also add a slant, say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the mouth and nose area. So I'm just going to come down with a curve out. And same thing on the other side. And just remember, everything is still at a slant. So we got the mouth, the nose area, and then I'm going to come to the side and just draw a circle for the eyes. Simple little circle. Too small for Draw So Cute eyes. That'd be much cuter to give our cat some beady little eyes here. So then I'm going to come in this corner right here and give it a little highlight and shade it all in. So same thing over here, and shade it in there. And then let's come to the top of each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then let's come to the sides right here, about in this area. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 whiskers that come out. So about right here, same thing on the other side, and here. And then for the paws, my favorite part is to see kittens and their paws on top of a box, right? So let's come about right here. We're still kind of in the center, so I'm going to start right here. Soft little curve that comes down and then just kind of goes in. Just a simple little curve for the paw. And then same thing on the other side. So about right here, I'm just going to go up and down for the paws. And if you like, you can come in here and just slightly draw maybe 2 curves right here. There. And And then let's draw the tail. So, well, let's draw a tail a little bit later because I still have to draw the lid, the box lid. So, okay, let's come back up here and we're gonna draw the hat. So if you wanna make this more Christmassy, let's give our kitten here a little Christmas hat. You come right above, right here, draw the trim of the hat, Santa hat, and we're gonna go up. Also add a slant. And about right here, I'm going to bring it down through the ears. Imagine it coming through about right there. And I'll just go ahead and add a big poof ball for the ends. And then let's come in here and just add a curve right here for where it folds over. Okay, and so then now we can go ahead and draw the lid. So I'll rest the lid about right here. So we want to come out on the same level, about right here. And I'm just going to draw a slant. And let's bring this down. So we're just imagining a rectangle. And we're ending it at the same level as the box, about right here. So we want to follow the same angle up here. So about right there. I'll just wing it. I'm going to follow this same angle and go up and then connect it. There, something like that. And then we can draw some stripes on here if you like. If you want to decorate the lid, it's all up to you. I really hope this drawing inspires you. And then let's draw the tail. So right here, I'm just going to pop out a little tail for our kitten. So whatever space, and I'll just rest it right on top of this lid. So that's why I wanted to draw the lid first. And just bring it right in there. And you can add some curves right here for some stripes. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's decorate our box, of course, right? So let me come in here and thicken this box so it's more prominent. So if you've been following me, I just, you know that I just drew a folding surprise card with a puppy for Christmas. Because most of you cuties wanted a puppy, but I couldn't not draw a kitten for Christmas also, right? So I really hope you love this drawing for all the cat lovers out there. And so let's come in the center, about right here, I'm going to draw a bow for our box, just to decorate our box. So right here, I'm going to give a curve, another curve, and then connect it. And now to draw the loop, so I'm going to come out right here. Draw a really big loop, curve, and we're just going to give it a little bit wobble right here and then bring it all the way back. So same thing over here. And I'll just drag a point across, make sure I'm about the same height. Since I'm drawing pretty big, and about right there, just like the other side. Give it a little bit wobble. And bring it down. So right there and connect. There. And let's come in the center and just give it a little curve. And same thing here. And you can thicken the ends if you like to give it the crease for our bow. And then the tail. So right here in the center, we're going to come out with a curve. And here. And connect it with two angles. So same thing over here. So I really hope I'm helping you and inspiring you to draw all these cute drawings for Christmas. And I'm giving you great ideas to make cards with. Okay, so then I have a big bow, and then let's come right here and connect this bow. So I'll go right across and draw a line about right there, and same thing here. Come right across. So I thought it'd be really cute to add some bells right here since it is a cat. So let's come right here. I'm just going to dangle a straight line and dangle 2 circles, and I'll make them into bells. So maybe one a little bit lower, right underneath. And to make them look like bells, you can come in here with 2 dots and then connect it. So same thing here, 2 dots and connect. Hopefully it's all muddled up because it's so small, but hopefully that helped. And then let's see here, what else can we draw to spruce it up? Okay, let's draw some ornaments, right? So right next to the box, I'm going to draw a really big ornament. So let's just start about right here. Let's draw a big circle. And of course I have to end it where the box ends, so there. My ovalish ornament here. Now I fixed it, kind of. Now we can go ahead and spruce it up, and let's add maybe like right here, add the top of our ornament, and then add a little hook right there. And then I thought it'd be really cute if we made this one into a heart ornament, I mean. So right here in the center, I'm going to come about right here and here and draw a heart. There. And then you can draw a smaller one just to break it up so it's not so just one ornament. Now I'll draw another circle right here. And then add the top, and same thing, just a little hook. And this one we can just simplify and just draw a band across. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this kitten turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to draw it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love this kitten, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Stay Cute videos. See you later.